Flashback.
I'm here today in the Big Rock Dirt Park. Me and you together will be witnessing what is called the Ultra 6. It's 1:45, bro. We're just around 4 hours 10 minutes into the race. The last I checked, our boys, Mangal's team, was on 10th position. And I am representing Shroom Zoom today. We are sadly not performing well. We are in the 17th position and with only 18 teams.
One eternity later.
Go, 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 go!
A few inches later.
Yeah, that's all. Let's change the costume.
Why are you brushing in the middle of the afternoon?
Yeah, so this is one strategy. If you don't have a brush, just put toothpaste and then.
Wrong finger. Wrong finger. So what happened is our boy Gokul, he actually fell, and in that full adrenaline he tried to lift the bike from the silencer and he has burnt his finger. So according to him, whenever he's trying to hold the clutch, he's getting kind of a feedback, like a shock feedback. So if these boys are not able to do it themselves, then they will get him on. Otherwise, I think they are good to go. We are currently heading towards the slush section where a lot of riders are falling. I'm still in dual minds whether to witness the whole race and then head back. Whew. Just imagine the riders walking around only. It's so tiring. Full heavy coche section here, which is out of bounds again. Seems like there'll be a crocodile here. Mr. Crocodile, are you there? Hey, Mr. Crocodile. Hey.
Hands up to you, sir. Hands up to you. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Oh, look at this section here. Okay, so I think we are slowly heading towards this last section, which is towards this end. Let's go, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, people are getting stuck, bro. Mangal game. Mangal got stuck. Go Mangal, go. We have just 30 more minutes left for the race to get over. And our boys Mangal and team are at the 7th position, which isn't bad considering how pro people are there. Yuva Kumar, Rajesh Smoke, all these Mallu boys, full killing it on the track. Let's see what happens. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Come on, Eva. See this up and close. I'll show you the slush up and close. It's not a big like section, but chances of falling are high. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Okay, boys and girls, only 15 minutes left for the race to get over. I thought I'd leave early, but what's the use of coming so far and not witnessing the whole race? I'll show you what happens in the end. Now currently we're just heading back to our cars and we'll relax for some time and head to the pit stop to greet our fellow boys who almost killed it on the racetrack. Now they're bloody tired, dude. Normal trail riding only, in just 1 hour of regular trail riding only, we get so exhausted. What do you expect from these guys? Anyways, mashallah, boys played very well, finishing laps of 5 kilometers in just 10 minutes. So that's a great feat actually. This is like a big long stretch where people are just ripping and a lot of tiny humps. Come on! The Rhinox team, come on! Go! Oh my god! I actually thought a lot of teams will just like forfeit in between, but not bad, bro. Boys are killing it. So much endurance, even around 2 hours of riding also in this hot sun, in all these obstacle-filled tracks. Good job. Okay. It's just 1 minute to 3:30 and the race is officially over. Let's go see what's happening. Good job. Come on.
In first place, clocking a total of 35 laps in 6 hours, we have VM Motorsport. Pawan DK, Yogesh P and Sanjay Somshekhar.
Officially, the Ultra 6 concludes. Mangal and Gokul's team, lap rats, they actually played very, very well. But our Shroom Zoom team, it was a very abysmal performance, unfortunately. Okay, boys and girls, if you guys are still in the video, Rock and Rider signs off from yet another video, yet another vlog. More adventures, more fun, and more Rock and Rider very soon, if I end up editing the video, that is. Until then, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye. ಇದು ಫೇಕ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು.